It's my favourite time of the month, week, whatever it is. Oh, now you know how much it costs. And of course you already knew what it was because it's in the title. Oh, there you go. Yeah, liking that box. Always quality. So yeah, I've seen basically like an earlier version of this knife, but it didn't really tickle my fancy. Yeah, no problems, guys. There you go. And what's this all about? I mean, that's a bit out of date. This is M390. And so basically all they've done is just taken the old, let's see, finished stonewash skull of curl. That's the old blades with the sandvig. They now have just plain titanium and this like luminous carbon fibre. Warranty 15 days guaranteed, and it can be repaired after 2 years. Oh, and a lifetime workmanship. Okay, just for material, so it's not the best, but it's alright. So there we go. MecArmy EK3RC and M390. That's staining on the blade already. There we go, one hand opening, which is lovely. This thing is ultra light as well. You got yourself a little stop pin there. This very large pocket clip that's non-reversible. Tip down's definitely wrong, lads. Definitely prefer tip up, but you know, can't win them all, I suppose. Oh, that is a difficult. That's a difficult one to open one-handed. It can be done, but it's certainly not ultra easy. Yeah, that you can see some blade wobble there. Oh, this isn't looking great. Look at that, you can see that visibly moving from side to side. Centering's good enough though. That's fine. What are we running on? Well, I can't see. Well, I'll take this apart. Let's take my battered knives and tools page. Well, it's bloody sharp enough. There's no issues with that. And of course, Basically the main reason I bought this knife. But look at that. So yeah, that looks pretty damn cool. Wow. Okay guys, what the fuck? Yeah, that's a good looking bit. I mean, okay then. That's rough as fuck, look at that. Not ideal. Let's take this apart. Okay, so easy. I'm just going to guess it's a T6 for those bits. It is. Okay, so I've removed these two. I don't know if I'm being an idiot or something, but yeah, that seems wrong to me. Look, that ain't coming out. Is that just totally threaded? This ain't looking good. Yeah, it's just they've overscrewed that straight into that carbon fibre. Oh my god, what the fuck, guys? Okay, so the construction quality on this is fucking awful. It's looking like you can't even take it apart. This one is still going to be an issue, isn't it? Look, it's cracked the fucking carbon fibre. I mean, straight away, that's fucking awful. That's really bad. Are you fucking kidding me? You've got a non-captive pivot without a tool on this side.
2,000 years later.
Oh my god, this thing's a fucking shambles to take apart, this is. Like, what's the point of even... There we go. Literally having to press the blade in just to hold this thing here. And yeah, look. Oh, they do have metal followers, so what's the issue? What is the issue with that? Oh yeah, of course, wrong size now. Oh, well, that makes a lot of sense. Yeah, that's not great, guys. You're supposed to sort of have that metal insert. That's not supposed to spin as well. I mean, that's just pathetic, isn't it? Alright then. So your insert, you've over tightened that or glued it or whatever you've done, and that's caused that to have an issue. What are we running on? At least we're running on phosphor bronze washers here. There we go, that's the inside. Fairly simple, stop pin, just that, no crazy load lightning, although, I mean, this is extremely light. Like, this is unbelievable. Barely feel this. Honestly, might as well be paper. Which is a good thing, you know. It's... Yeah, that's still spinning. Oh well. So, yeah, this would probably be a prime candidate to remove a pocket clip if it didn't leave a hot, huge, ugly mark there. And if you could get that fucking thing out. Everything else on the fit and finish, again. But, oh, good grief, what a mess up there. Action's nice, though. Especially as a two-handed. Or, you know, if you can... I wonder if smaller hands would be better for that. Oh, well, at least it doesn't have a half stop. See what I mean? That's going to be irritating. And again, if the pocket clip was down here, I'd have a lot more to grip on, but because it's fucking up here, I don't really have anything to grip on down here, so I've got to use my pinky to pinch. Centre in, it's not bang on, but it's, yeah, it's fucking close enough. I'm not bothered about that. Tip down, lanyard hole's nice. I like this one hand opening. It does feel really nice and comfortable though. I'm not going to lie, I do like that, and it's extremely light. Oh, hello. Yeah, I'm just super disappointed in a bit of the build quality with this one. That is really not ideal. Well, I guess that's about all I can say for a first impression on this thing. Yeah. Oh well, I'll give this a go at work. I've got it now. I would recommend most people sending this back, but this is what I got, so this is what I'm going to review. There you go. That's an example of a MecArmy EK3RC. Cheers for sticking through this if you made it to the end.